Hello. Today I'm so excited because guess what? I'm gonna make me a special punch, breadfruit punch. I've been doing this for a long time. This drink is full of protein. It's gonna consist of sesame seed, flax seed, peanut, cashew, a malta, supplement, condensed milk, and some coconut milk with all my spices. This is a very high protein drink. It can be given to the elderly, a person that cannot eat solid food. It can given to like men. It's very high protein, so men can have it. Women, if you don't feel like cooking, it's a meal in a glass. So this evening, that's the punch that I'm gonna make. If you love my drink, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. That's all I'm asking. Only if you like it. Okay? So, come on. So, I start the process in preparing my breadfruit. I peel the breadfruit and I put on the breadfruit to boil. So, the breadfruit is boiling, and like in the next minute or so, it will be finished. So, this is the breadfruit boiling, and I'm gonna blend it afterward. And I told her that I'm going to add some nuts to my punch, to my breadfruit punch. So inside here I have sunflower seed. Where's my sunflower seed? I have sunflower seed, I have cashew, I have flaxseed, I have sesame seed. So I'm going to blend these that I can smoothly, that I can put it in the punch. To get all the nuts combined smoothly, I have to add some water, some liquid. So I added some water and some evaporated milk that it can be smooth and liquefied.
Crying, how can it be you?
Okay, so I think everything has combined. I'm gonna pour this into my bowl. I'm trying to get everything out. This is too rich to waste. So let me try to get everything out. So I'm not gonna wash this, guys. I'm gonna add the breadfruit. I'm gonna add the breadfruit to the blender and blend it. I'm gonna add the breadfruit And I'm gonna add some water. So let me add this water.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be to you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you.
So I'm gonna pour it in here. So it's very thick now. It's very thick. I'm gonna throw some Malta. I'm adding some Malta. A tin of supplement. So you can see, guys, this is really high protein, apart from the breadfruit, which is, you know, carbohydrate. This is some carnation milk, and I'm adding some coconut milk too. Some coconut milk to this. So inside now is the breadfruit, the malta, the supplement, the coconut milk, and all those nuts are here. So this is vanilla, rose water, almond, liquid almond, and another spice. I can't remember, liquid spice. So I'm gonna put this here. In here I have nutmeg, grated nutmeg, mixed spice, and cinnamon. This is one whole heap of goodness. Let me add some more water because I think it's too thick. So let me add some more water to this. Guys, this is a very, very high protein drink. I'm gonna add me some condensed milk. A lot of people don't like condensed milk, but as a Jamaican, we really, most of us use condensed milk to mix punch. Carrot juice, soursop juice, any kind of juice. You know, we add coconut milk. The people who are really healthy, who are vegan, they don't, but you know, maybe they add another form of sweetener. But with this punch, I love coconut milk, I love condensed milk. So all these ingredients that I've added to this punch is, you know, stuff that I love. And again, guys, high protein drink, full of all kind of nutrient. So, you know, you can try this. You can try it. So let me taste to see how sweet this is. Okay, it's not too sweet. Famous Jamaican white rum. I bought it the last time I went to Jamaica. It's optional, but I'm going to throw some in this. People who are Christian are going to drink alcohol. You don't have to use it, but it give it a nice taste, add to the flavor. So, oh my God, the smell. This is really smelling so good with the white rum in there. And also, you could put red label wine too in this if you want. But this is it. I could make it a little thicker, but no, I want it, you know, a little more liquefied. So here it is, my breadfruit punch. Breadfruit punch. Let me taste it. We know say it tastes good because, you know, it's something that I do all the time. But for you, it's very good. Guys, the thing is, you can never believe that this is breadfruit. When you taste it, you can't, I don't know how to explain. It's a nice punch. I like eggnog, not really eggnog, but very nice. I'm gonna ask you to try this. Every one of you, everybody want to try this something. It's very, very, very good, very nice. And some people, you'll never believe that this punch is from breadfruit. And there are other things that I'm going to make, other fruits, other food I'm going to use and make punch. Nice, try it. I'm going to ask you again to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.